Hello everyone, this is the showroom of MINGDA 3D printers to show to you. And these industrial 3D printers are the new design machines in 2018. And the major color is black and white. And our machines are much higher precision and stability now. Look at this design machine. It is ND666. The printing size is 600 by 600 by 600 millimeter. And now they are tested to print the models, and then they will be delivered to our clients soon, as they are very popular for its large size and good printing. Okay, that's all. And see you next time, my dear friends. See you, bye.